Have you ever wondered how many different types of snails there are in the world? It's a question that might not keep you up at night, but the answer is more fascinating than you might think. The world of snails, or gastropods as they're scientifically known, is vast and varied. These creatures, found in nearly every environment around the globe, are more than just garden pests or French delicacies. They're a diverse group with thousands of species, each with their own unique characteristics and adaptations. Let's dive into the classification of snails to understand their diversity better. Snails belong to the class of invertebrates known as gastropoda. This class, one of the largest in the animal kingdom, is divided into three main categories: land snails, sea snails, and freshwater snails. Land snails, like the common garden snail, are often what we think of when we hear the word snail. They're equipped with a muscular foot for movement and a hard, coiled shell for protection. But not all land snails are alike. Some, like the giant African land snail, can grow up to 7 inches long, while others, like the tiny glass snail, measure less than 1/4 of an inch. Sea snails, or marine gastropods, are another major category. They live in oceans around the world, from shallow coastal waters to the deepest sea trenches. Sea snails, like the colorful cone snail or the spiky murex, have evolved a variety of specialized shells and venomous stingers for survival in their underwater habitats. Freshwater snails, the last category, inhabit rivers, lakes, and ponds. Species like the great pond snail or the red ramshorn have adapted to life in fresh water, developing different feeding habits, breathing mechanisms, and shell shapes compared to their land and sea cousins. So to summarize, snails or gastropods are a diverse group of invertebrates with thousands of species spread across nearly every habitat on Earth. They're divided into three main categories: land snails, which range from tiny to giant and are often found in gardens; sea snails, which inhabit oceans worldwide and boast a variety of specialized shells and survival mechanisms; and freshwater snails, which live in bodies of fresh water and have adapted in unique ways to their environments. Snails may be slow, but they're far from simple. Each species, whether it crawls in a garden, swims in the ocean, or glides through a pond, is a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. So next time you see a snail, take a moment to appreciate its place in the grand tapestry of life.